Hello dear students, today we are going to learn a topic from maths and that is number work. Now let us revise what we have learned in our previous standard. The greatest one digit number is 9 and if we add 1 to 9 we get 10. That is the smallest two digit number, right? The greatest two digit number is 99 and if we add 1 to 99 we get 100. That is the smallest three digit number. The greatest three digit number is 999 and if we add 1 to 8 we get 1000. 1000. That is the smallest four digit number. So the number 1000 has 0 units, 0 tens, 0 hundreds and 1000. Now we will learn the place value chart for 4 digit numbers. Let us take the number 1, 4, 7, 2. So we will write U for units, T for tens, H for hundreds and TH for thousands. Now let's arrange these numbers systematically under their places. So first we will write 1 under the thousands place, 4 under the hundreds place, 7 under the tens place and 2 under the units place. So 1472 is read as 1472 as 1 is in the thousands place, 4 is in the hundreds place, 7 is in the tens place and 2 is in the units place. Now let us take one more number, that is 9999. So we will write first 9 under the thousands place, second 9 under the hundreds place, third 9 under the tens place and fourth 9 under the units place. So number 9999 will be read as 9999. Now we will learn to read and write 4-digit numbers using symbols. So this is the symbol of 1000. This symbol represents the number 1000 and it is read as 1000. Now let us take next example. So here there are 4 symbols of 1000. So they represent the number 4000. That is 4000. Now let's move on to the next example. Here we have 2000s, 200s and 3 units. So how will we write this in numbers? We will write 2 in the thousands place as we have 2000s. Then we will write 2 in the hundreds place as we have 200s, right? Now tell me, do we have tens over here? No, right? We don't have tens. So we will write 0 in the tens place. Then we have 3 units. So we will write 3 in the units place. Hence, these symbols represent the number 2203 and it is read as 2203. Let us see one more example. Here we have 2000s, 110 and 2 units. So we will write 2 in the thousands place. Now here we don't have thousands. So we will write 0 in the hundreds place. Then we have 110 and 2 units. So we will write 1 in the tens place and 2 in the units place. Hence these symbols represent 2012 and it is read as 2012. Now let us do one more fun activity. Look at the symbols, write the number and read it. Here one number is shown on the abacus and we have to identify the number and read and write that number. So, 2 beads are there in the thousands place. So, we will write 2 in the thousands place. 1 bead shows 100. So, let us write 1 in the hundreds place. Again 1 bead in the tens place. So, let us write 1 in the tens place. Then we have 2 beads in the units place. So, we will write 2 in the units place. Hence, this number is written as 2112. That is 2112. Now here in this abacus, 5 beads are there in the thousands place. So we will write 5 in the thousands place. 3 beads shows 300. So let us write 3 in the hundreds place. Then 0 bead in the tens place. So let us write 0 in the tens place. Then again 0 bead in the units place. So we will write 0 in the units place. Hence this number is written as 5300. That is 5300. Now here this abacus shows 2 beads in the thousands place. So we will write 2 in the thousands place. 0 bead in the hundreds place. So we will write 0 in hundreds place. 3 bead shows 3 tens. So we will write 3 in the tens place. Then 4 beads in units place. So let us write 4 in units place. Hence this number is written as 2034. That is 2034. Now this abacus shows 5 beads in thousands place. So we will write 5 in thousands place. Now 0 bead in hundreds place, 0 bead in tens place and 0 bead in units place. So we will write 0 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place and 0 in units place. Hence this number is written as 5000 and it is read as 5000. Here in this abacus we have 5 beads in thousands place. So we will write 5 in thousands place, 3 beads in hundreds place. So we will write 3 in hundreds place. 2 beads shows 2 tens. So we will write 2 in tens place and 0 bead in units place. So let's write 0 in units place. Hence this number is written as 5320. That is 5320. Now here we have 5 beads in thousands place, 0 bead in hundreds place, 0 bead in tens place and 3 beads in units place. So we will write 5 in thousands place, 0 in hundreds place. Then we will write 0 in tens place and 3 in units place as we have 3 units. So this number is written as 5003. That is 5003. Numbers in words and figures. When writing a number in figures, we first write the digit in the thousands place. Then we write the proper digit from 0 to 9 in the hundreds, tens and units place in that order. Okay, so here the number is given 4028 and we have to write this number in figures. So let us write this number in figures. So first we will write places. So unit place, tens place, hundreds place and this is thousands place. So while writing a number, we should write first thousands place. So here the number is 4028. So let us write 4 in thousands place. Now we must write the digits in the hundreds, tens and units place too. The given number has no hundreds. So we write a 0 in the hundreds place. Now 28. Number 28 has 2 2 tens and 8 units. So we will write 2 in tens place. Then we will write 8 in the units place. So we will write 4028 in figures as 4028. Now let us solve this exercise. Write the given numbers in figures. So first number is 4005. So here we have 4000. So we will write 4 in thousands place. Now we must write the digits in the hundreds, tens and units place too. So the given number has no hundreds. So we will write 0 in hundreds place. The given number has no tens either. So we will write 0 in tens place. Number 4005 has 5 units. So we will write 5 in units place. Now the next number is 5017. So here we will write 5 in thousands place as we have 5000. Now the given number has no hundreds. So we will write 0 in hundreds place. 17. 17 has 110 and 7 units. So we will write 110 in tens place and 7 in units place. The next number is 7317. So we will write 7 in thousands place as we have 7000 over here. Okay. Now 300. So we will write 3 in hundreds place and 13. 13 has 110 and 3 units. So we will write 1 in tens place and 3 in units place. Next number is 8000. So we will write 8 in thousands place as we have 8000. Now we must write the digits in the hundreds, tens and units place too. The given number has no hundreds, no tens and no units. So we will write 0 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place and 0 in units place. The next number is 9999. So we will write 9 in thousands place as we have 9000. Okay. Now 900. So we will write 9 in hundreds place and 99. Number 99 has 9 tens and 9 units. So we will write 9 in tens place and 9 in units place. Read the given number and write them in words. So first number is 1235. So we will write 1235. Next number is 2341. 2341. Next number is 3507. So we will write 3507. Next number is 4115. 4115. And the next number is 5045. So we will write 5000. Here we have 0 hundreds. So we will not write hundreds here. So 5045. 6787. 6787. The next number is 7890. 7890. Using each digit only once, write 5 4-digit numbers and read them. So children, here we have to form 5 4-digit numbers from the given digits. So here given digits are 2, 6, 7 and 3. We can form many numbers from these given digits. So the first number will be 2, 6, 7, 3. That is 2673. Now to form next 4-digit number, we will interchange the tens and the units place of this number. So here the next number will be 2, 6, 3, 7. That is 2637. Now to form next 4-digit number, we will interchange the hundreds place and the tens place. So the number will be 2, 3, 6 and 7. That is 2367. Now again we will interchange the tens place and the units place to form new next number. So 2, 3, 7, 6. That is 2376. Now let us take this 6 in the thousands place. So the number will be 6, 7, 3 and 2. That is 6732. Now to form next 4-digit number, we will interchange the tens place and the units place. So the number will be 6, 7, 2 and 3. That is 6723. Now what we will do to form new next number? Yes, we will interchange the hundreds place and the tens place. So the number will be 6, 2, 7 and 3. That is 6273. Now again we will interchange the tens place and the units place to form new number. So the number will be 6, 2, 3, 7. That is 6237. Now let us take this 7 in the thousands place. So 7, then 3, 2 and 6. That is 7326. So to form next number, we will interchange the tens place and the units place. So 7, 3, 6, 2. That is 7362. Now we will interchange the hundreds place and the tens place. So the new number will be 7, 6, 3, 2. That is 7632. Now again we will interchange the tens place and the units place. So the number will be 7, 6, 2, 3. That is 7623. Now let us take 3 in the thousands place. So the number will be 3, 2, 6, 7. That is 3267. Now interchange the tens place and the units place. So 3, 2, 7, 6. That is 3276. Now we will interchange the hundreds place and the tens place. So the number will be 3, 7, 2, 6. That is 3726. Now again what we will do? We will interchange the tens place and the units place. So the number will be 3, 7, 6, 2. That is 3762. Wow! We formed so many numbers using only 4 digits. That's amazing! Now let us form more numbers using another digits. So here given digits are 5, 0, 9 and 8. So let us form 4-digit numbers. So here first we will take 5 in thousands place. So the number will be 5, 0, 9, 8. That is 5098. Now to form next number, what we will do? Yes, we will interchange the tens place and the units place. So the next number will be 5, 0, 8 and 9. That is 5089. Now we will interchange the hundreds place and the tens place. So the number will be 5, 8, 0, 9. That is 5809. Now again we will interchange the tens place and the units place. So the number will be 5, 8, 9, 0. That is 5890. Now we will take 9 in the thousands place to form next number. So the number will be 9850. That is 9850. Now let us interchange the tens place and the ones place to form next number. So the new number will be 9805. That is 9805. Now let us interchange the hundreds place and the tens place. So the next number will be 9, 0, 8 and 5. That is 9085. Now again what we will do? We will interchange the tens place and the units place. So the next number will be 9058. Now let us take 8 in the thousands place. So the number will be 8509. Now after interchanging the tens place and the units place, we will get 8590. That is 8590. Now after interchanging hundreds place and the tens place, we will get 8950. That is 8950. Now let's interchange the tens place and the units place to form next number. So the next number will be 8905. That is 8905. That's all for today, children. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye bye.